if you would, clear your laps of anything that might be on them. If you're sitting, just allow the chair or whatever you're sitting upon just support you. Close your eyes or gaze softly down, whichever works best for you. Just allow my words to be your words in these next moments. Let us choose to listen. We'll listen to our bodies first. If there are any pieces that need a little stretching or something, or just relaxing, our awareness on them and our breath, allow that to happen. There may be stuff in your neck, maybe your jaw. Just allow that rhythm, that wonderful rhythm that we carry with us 24/7, our breath, to relax it like waves, gentle waves on a beach. Allow that relaxation to continue throughout your body, perhaps into your back, into your hips, into your knees, ankles, toes, fingers, whatever needs it. And as we are listening, we hear deeper, beyond the physical. There's the emotional, the mental, and yet beyond as well. So instead of paying attention to your thoughts, listen to what is carrying the thoughts. There's something underneath and surrounding them. There's an essence, a presence. That is you and so much more. This essence ties us all together as one. It is what greets us every morning. It is what nudges us in the directions that are ours to take. It smiles at us through other people. It brings everything that we need to our present moment. So just sit and listen with this in the silence. there are any people, places, situations that are on your heart that don't feel resonant with this deep awareness, please call a name or a title softly aloud. And this invokes openings for these situations, these places, these people, to realize that they are surrounded and imbued with the same essence. Allow that resonance, allow that shift from you calling these people, shift through you, move through you like waves. And allow it to ripple through to every last cell of your body. Allow yourself to bring this back into your body fully rejuvenated. And when you're ready, you may open your eyes and wiggle fingers and toes and stretch a little if that feels comfortable. Breathe. Yes, breathing is so good. So good.